Did you know that you can now create GitHub issues from Copilot Chat in github.com? Let's imagine we're part of the product team behind Copilot Airways, and we're assigning work to the engineering team. We've written a new product requirements document for user reviews on the travel guide. But the team stores these documents in Notion. Let's ask Copilot to create a GitHub issue with that information and a link to the Notion document so they have traceability of the request. The Copilot coding agents can be assigned issues right from this view in Copilot Chat. Copilot acknowledges the assignment and gets to work by creating a pull request. But how will Copilot be able to access the product team's documentation in Notion? That is where the Model Context Protocol comes in. Aside from native tools like reading files, making code edits, running builds and tests, you can provide Copilot access to external tools using MCP, just like we are doing here with Notion. Here, you can see it used multiple tool calls to gather the information from Notion, which were then incorporated into its workflow. And if we navigate across to GitHub Actions, you can see that the MCP servers and associated tools are configured when Copilot is being set up. Once Copilot has completed its work, we can review the code in the pull request. However, this looks like a fairly sizable set of changes, so I could go back to the pull request and see how Copilot has summarized the changes it has made, allowing me to have the appropriate context going into a review. To learn more about the Copilot coding agent, check out gh.io/copilot/coding-agent.